Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. We are currently living through what is, without a doubt, the single most rapid technological transformation in human history. It's wild out there. But today, we're going to break down some incredibly powerful insights from visionary thinker Peter Diamandis. We're going to look at exactly how developing a purpose-driven and curiosity mindset is absolutely the key to not just surviving, but actually thriving and building a rock-solid career in this new AI-integrated world.
Okay, let's dive into this, because we really are facing a harsh reality check here. For generations, the formula was basically a guarantee, right? You do well in high school, you get into a good college, grab your degree, and boom, you get a secure job. But, as Diamandis so perfectly points out, that social contract, it's broken. And look, if you've been feeling a bit anxious lately about your career or your job security, or even what the future looks like for your kids in this crazy new AI landscape, those are very, very real fears. The fundamental rules of the game have shifted right out from under us. We're basically training students for an old system that just doesn't exist anymore.
See, that old path was built around a post-industrial revolution model. Schools literally trained us to be line workers, and the goal was 100% employment at these massive, towering companies. But what's the new reality? Well, those massive companies are downsizing. They're shrinking their traditional employee bases to utilize AI more efficiently. Now that sounds terrifying, but here is the incredibly optimistic data. The number of solopreneurs, people starting out on their own in both AI and non-AI businesses, is actually doubling. People are getting displaced, sure, but they're asking, okay, what do I do now? And their answer is to build for themselves. Small businesses and solo creators are absolutely booming right now.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what kind of historical moment we're sitting at right now. Peter Diamandis compares the rise of AI to a massive evolutionary asteroid. Think about it. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer asteroid slammed into the Earth. The big, slow, lumbering dinosaurs just couldn't adapt quickly enough to that sudden environmental shift and, well, they went extinct. Today, the AI asteroid has officially struck. It is causing a shockingly rapid rate of change in literally every aspect of our culture and our livelihoods. The environment is shifting way faster than those traditional, slow-moving corporate dinosaurs can actually handle.
So who actually survived that prehistoric asteroid? It was the agile little mammals. They possessed the ultimate evolutionary trait, which is adaptability. Clinging to that old social contract right now is honestly like being one of those dinosaurs. You do not want to be a dinosaur. You want to be the fast, agile mammal embracing this brand new environment. Adaptability means letting go of how things used to be and actively asking yourself, how do I use these incredible new technologies to propel myself forward? It is all about agility. And the best part? The tools to be agile have literally never been easier to get your hands on.
Which brings us to this mind-blowing opportunity. Do you know what the cost is to start something new today? It is essentially $0. Think about a decade ago. The barrier to starting a new company was massive. You needed lawyers, accountants, market research teams, super expensive engineers just to write basic code. Your startup cost was easily in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Today, thanks to artificial intelligence, those gatekeepers have completely fallen. The barrier to entry has collapsed to nearly zero. If you have a problem you want to solve, you can do your research in milliseconds, use language models to build your product, generate all your marketing, and spin up a website virtually for free. It's unreal.
So that leads us right into our next big topic, the mindset solution, purpose and curiosity.
So, if all these amazing tools are practically free, what's the catch? Well, the ultimate solution now is entirely about your mindset. Diamandis outlines two very specific mental frameworks that are going to act as your ultimate survival tools in the decade ahead. You need a purpose-driven mindset and a curiosity mindset. The people who are going to absolutely thrive in this new era are the ones who combine these two things. They have a deep, driving reason for doing what they do and an insatiable desire to ask questions and learn exactly how new tools can help them pull it off.
Let's clarify what we actually mean by purpose, though, because it gets mixed up with passion all the time. Passion is something you love doing just for yourself. Snowboarding, reading sci-fi, playing video games. That is great, but it's internal. Purpose, on the other hand, is a passion that you love doing that actively serves other people. It's when you take that internal joy and you flip it outward to deliver real value to the world. That is the true fuel for an AI-integrated career. You aren't just building a business to make a quick buck. You're building it to solve a problem you care deeply about for others.
Which perfectly brings up this incredible thought from Mark Twain. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. When everything around you is shifting, when AI is just upending entire industries and those traditional career paths are dissolving into thin air, purpose is that intrinsic fuel that's going to wake you up in the morning. It's what keeps you moving forward during turbulent times. Because if you are deeply connected to your why, then AI simply becomes the how. It's just this incredible new toolkit you use to execute your purpose on a much grander scale than ever before.
Ultimately, as AI brings us this immense abundance and drastically drives down the cost of living and services, humanity is going to face a major fork in the road. We all face a very binary choice moving forward. Are you going to be the consumer, or are you going to be the creator? The consumer path is frankly a bit like the movie WALL-E. You're sitting passively on the couch, letting a robot fetch you a drink while you endlessly watch AI-generated entertainment that's perfectly tailored just to you. It's easy, and a lot of people are going to choose it. But the other path? That's the Star Trek future. That is the creator, someone who takes these almost godlike technological capabilities and uses them to actively build something valuable, something meaningful, and deeply aligned with their purpose.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we can ground these super high-level concepts in a very tangible, real-world success story. Peter Diamandis shared this amazing anecdote about being on vacation in this remote village in Morocco. He meets this young local guy who is running a highly successful e-bike tour business. When Diamandis asked him how he came up with the idea, the young man was like, "Well, I couldn't find a job, so I just went on to ChatGPT." He typed in his basic skills, where he lived, his past experiences, and literally just asked the AI for business ideas. The AI suggested the e-bike tour, it helped him build out a marketing plan, and essentially acted as his free business partner. Today, he is totally out-earning all of his peers. That is exactly the adaptability and curiosity we were talking about. And the best part, anyone can do this.
All right, so let's shift gears and get into your AI action plan. So the crucial point is, how do you actually become the creator of your own future? Well, it really comes down to these three surprisingly simple steps. Step 1, lean hard into your curiosity and self-educate using large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Ask them deep questions. If you don't get something, just use the prompt, "Teach it to me like I'm 5 years old." Go right down that rabbit hole. Step 2, dig deep and find your purpose. Find that thing you absolutely love that also solves a problem for other people. And step 3, just execute. Use these AIs as your free co-founders to build the product, draft up your marketing, and spin up your website. There are no gatekeepers here anymore. You have absolute agency over this entire process.
To wrap this all up, I want to leave you with a final, really provocative question, because it all comes down to your mindset. Is AI happening to you, or is it happening for you? Think about it. If you believe AI is happening to you, you're going to constantly be back on your heels. You'll be operating out of fear, basically just waiting for that asteroid to hit. But if you flip that mindset, if you decide right now that AI is happening for you, suddenly you possess superpowers. You have the ability to learn literally anything, build anything, and scale your purpose without any limits. You are the hero of your own story, and the tools are just sitting right there waiting for you. It is time to start building your future. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you create.